Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya here and welcome to JS SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss about the key features of SAP S4HANA Cloud, which was launched in recent time. So basically, SAP has got a lot of offerings in the enterprise resource planning area, supply chain management, financial management, spend management, human capital management, CRM and customer experience. And then we have got different solutions at the business technology platform level and business transformation management level. Now we are going to discuss about each and every offering by SAP, and we're going to understand this, and it's very important for all of us to understand what exactly SAP is offering and what it is going to planning to offer in the future, which gives a clarity of what are the things that we need to upgrade from where we are. Let's say you are a fresher, then you will get an idea about where you have to start your learning path. And if you already are into some module you're working, then you will know what technology you need to get upgraded with. So it's very important for each one of us to understand what are the offerings by SAP. I strongly recommend you and request you to share this with your all colleagues or your friends who can get and help and understanding about the entire SAP offerings. Okay, so let's start with the SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Solution Edition that we are going to discuss in this present session now. So coming to the key features of the SAP S4HANA Cloud, we will start with the maintain business users. So if you have to maintain the business users, let's say an organization has purchased the SAP S4HANA Cloud and they have their own employees, right? So the employees have to start using it. Now, what exactly is the process to maintain the business users? See, maintain user relevant data such as locking and unlocking of users, validity and regional settings. You can assign business roles to business users, including all user interfaces and authorizations they need to perform their tasks. So you can update user role assignments individually or by uploading a mass update in a CSV file. So you have a feature here wherein you can make a list of all the employees to whom you have to assign a particular role and create that in a CSV and just upload it and make sure that these all people will have that role assignment. Now, maintain business user groups. So we can create business user groups and assign multiple business users to them to help us organize our area. So basically, creating a business group will help us to assign the business users easily and then maintain the credentials at the business user group level as well. And we can maintain deleted business users, so we can display and maintain deleted business users as well and decide whether or not they can be recreated or not. And display technical users, so keep track of users that have access to your solutions, that is technical users, business users and support users. To a limited extent, you can edit settings or for technical users as well. Now, to maintain the business roles, we can create our own business roles and define authorizations. So we all know that we already have some standard business rules. Now we can create our own business rules as well and define authorization restrictions to create instances. So you can assign business users to business roles, including all UIs and authorizations they need to perform their tasks. So SAP delivers business role templates you can use to set up your own business roles. So we'll focus on this business role templates, how they are going to use in the full sessions. Like if you have a complete sessions, in-depth sessions, in that we're going to discuss about this. So continuing with the key features that we have, we can maintain business role groups, we can create business role groups and assign multiple business roles to them to help organize our area. And we can display business role templates, displaying the detailed information about the business role templates and the changes that we provided by SAP. We can do that. And please remember that what I'm discussing right now is just the contents. I'm going to discuss all these in detail in the full training sessions. If you are interested, you can contact us with the below contact details. So we can manage business rule changes after upgrade. So we can display all relevant changes to restriction types and business catalog after an upgrade and maintain the corresponding restrictions if required. You can display usage of business rules and business users, display detailed information about the usage of business rules, business users, and restrictions in our system. Display business catalogs. We can display detailed information about the business catalogs, their statuses, and the changes provided by SAP. We can display the IAM applications, display IAM applications of all supported types. So if you're wondering what exactly is IAM, IAM is basically involves the intelligent asset management that we have. We're also going to have the feature of display restriction types. We can display available restriction types and how they can be used in certain business catalogs. Display authorization trace. We can trace the authorization for a business user to analyze if any authorizations are missing or they are not sufficient enough to perform the tasks. Create custom catalog extensions. We can create our own extensions for some already existing pre-delivered business catalogs to enable customization of business rules. So we can define available system languages. We can define languages which are offered to the users for selection. We can maintain user sessions. So we can view all the sessions containing logs in the current system, and we can display further information such as associated business users, and we can delete a session if it is required as well. So this is about the system management. Now we are going to have a lot of exciting and interesting updates that we have in 2408. I'm going to come up with more information about it and a representation of the entire architecture in the coming sessions. But if you are interested to go ahead with the full session, complete session, you can contact us with the below details. You can ping us, or you can drop your email ID in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Have a great day. And just in case if you are looking for some particular session, you can drop that title in the comment box. I'll help you with the existing link, or I'll be creating a new session and sharing it with you.